Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Today I've got another super simple Glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a pair of Glam crystal candle holders. So what you'll need some of these teardrop pendants. And these pendants are from Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. You're also going to need some of these rhinestone buckles. These buckles are from Totally Dazzled. Totally Dazzled is an online retailer of wedding decor and event decor and so much more. I will have Totally Dazzled's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out as well. What you're going to need from Dollar Tree, you'll need 2 of these taper candle holders. These are the glass taper candle holders from Dollar Tree. You're also going to need 1 pack. These come in a pack of 2, so you'll need 1 pack of these glass Tealight holders. And from Walmart, I have some of the small peel and stick gemstones. You can find these on a half sheet size at Dollar Tree. And then also from Walmart, I have the large peel and stick gemstones as well. Now I'm going to be using hot glue on my project, but if you'd like to make any components permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we need in order to complete these beautiful candle holders, so let's get started. Okay, you guys. Now, didn't these candle holders turn out absolutely beautifully? And they are so easy to make. Now let's go ahead and start decorating with them. Well, there you have it, guys. Another beautiful and super simple Glam DIY. I hope you guys will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of Glam DIYs and Glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.